My name is Mike Sifke. I'm the Assistant Fire Chief at Whitewater Township in Hamilton County, Ohio. We service approximately 6,000 residents. We cover approximately 25 square miles, and we are a combination residential rural area. We also are responsible for covering and protecting 11 miles of interstate. Today we're here to do our final inspection on our E1 Typhoon rescue pumper. We chose the eMAX for the purpose of the pump house, how narrow the pump house is. In the traditional QMAX series that we have, the pump house is significantly longer or wider. So we chose with this narrower pump house. What we gained from that was we were able to gain more cubic storage space within the apparatus. So a couple other things that the group came up with is through the suggestion recommendation from our dealer is we considered the power options for the left and right side of the truck. We chose to go this direction because the power strip provides us shoreline power with everything going battery operate, battery tools, battery hand tools. This provides us the ability to make sure that our tools are charged anytime the truck is on shore power. In addition to this, we added the 12 volt. So we have 12 volts power on each side of the truck, so we can add more equipment that is powered with batteries. When we engineered the truck, we moved the ladder tunnel from the right side of the truck to the left side of the truck. What this gains is it's still the same functionality, but because of our top mount pump, we were able to move that to the left side. When we built the truck out, we really took advantage and leveraged the ability to add USB power and 12 volt power. To reference our EMS compartment, we've added the additional 110 volt shoreline power as well as the 12 volt power. And throughout the front cab, we've added the 12 volt power and USB power for tablets. We use MDCs to get our calls. We've also had ports back in the back, power ports. The process that we've experienced in this particular purchase was actually relatively seamless. It was no real issues. The communications between the local dealer, Vogapool, was outstanding. The information requests came back in a very timely manner. So this experience has been a good experience. The relationship that we've built with our dealer has been very well. This has also strengthened that relationship. And then the relationship with the E1 folks has been outstanding. We've been an E1 customer since the mid 80s. We've had C-Series 4 E1 engines back in the 80s, and then in 2000s we replaced them with some other E1s, and this is I can't count which number of E1 we've had. We were excited to get here. We've seen the pictures through the process, which was a great thing with new technology, and being able to upload the pictures allows our team to watch the truck in process. It has been really nice to see the truck here in real life. It's always great to touch it and see what you put together on paper, see it built.